morning everyone. Myself B.Saisreevani and I am studying in class 10th, St. Elizabeth Convent High School. Today I would like to talk about excretion, the biological process by which all the living organisms release the harmful metabolic waste from the body is known as excretion. This process is essential for maintaining a healthy external environment and preventing the growth of buildup of toxic substances. In complex organisms like humans, there is a specialized system for excretion. It is human excretory system. Different organisms use different modes of excretion, such as some use liver, skin, and lungs for the excretion, depending on their food habit and habitat. For example, aquatic animals excrete the waste in the form of ammonia. Humans release the waste mainly in the form of urea. The organs of the human excretory system include the pair of kidneys. Kidneys are the bean-shaped structures located on either side of the backbone and are protected by the ribs and muscles of the back. They have the neurons, which are the filtering units of the kidney. A pair of uterus. They connect the kidneys with the urinary bladder and transport the urine from the kidney. Urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is a temporary storage reservoir of urine. A urethra. It is a duct which takes the urine from the urinary bladder to the exterior. Now let's discuss about the structure of nephron. It is a tubular structure, those one end is cup-shaped called Bowman's capsule, collecting the filtered urine and contains the cluster of capillaries. This cup-shaped structure has the filtered units of urine. The structure formed by the cluster of capillaries is known as glomerulus. In the glomerulus is followed by the tubular part and the collecting duct, where the selective reabsorption takes place, that is ultrafiltration method, where the reabsorption of glucoses, amino acid and salts and the amount of water takes place, and after absorbing these materials, the remaining leftover waste is constitutes as urine. Now let's see how the excretion process happens in plants. Plants excrete the waste products mainly by releasing the gases like carbon dioxide and water through the stomata and lenticles and through transpiration. They also store the waste materials in the bark and in the specialized products called resin and gum, which are then shed and lost. And aquatic animals mainly excrete through the process of diffusion. They excrete the waste materials. Thank you.